All right, we are in the master suite, well, master bathroom.
Yeah.
It is nearing the end stage of this remodel. And to get a master bath this size in a 1986 home, we had to steal space from other parts of the house, right, Ash?
Yes, so before there used to actually be closets along this back wall, and there was a door going into the bathroom. So this was just kind of the closet area. So we eliminated that space, opened the whole thing up, and then we actually used the space from a bedroom that was backing the master and made that the master closet.
Couple tricks we did in here to, again, make it feel gracious and large and give it a big design. One of my favorites is right behind me. The backsplash here, we went really, really high with this. This is 12 inches. Most people use a 4-inch backsplash, but this really stretched that up. And I think using a really grainy marble makes it feel classical and really high-end. Another thing that's really great about the cabinetry here is the hardware. I think we can't ignore the fact that that's going on.
And should we just point out that Ashley Kennedy always has rad jewelry. She always is wearing like a
those are
little
nice.
cuff or a really statement necklace. So it made sense that the jewelry, the hardware on her cabinetry, kind of matched that aesthetic.
One other trick that we did in here was the potty closet. Ash, do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, I absolutely love Kelly Wearstler, and she has really bold kind of 80s vibe design.
Yeah.
And so we really went for it with one of her wallpapers, and I like to do kind of, really bold wallpaper in powder baths, and they agreed that it was okay. So we really went for it, and I think the results were really dynamic and aggressive, but it's a fun pop to the space.
We also were able to get a chandelier in the space. Again, we've got 8-foot ceilings, so you think we would be able to use chandeliers in this spot, but we were able to do it over the tub because you're seated when you're in the tub. So in the bathroom, you'll see that we have both silver and gold, and it's a trick that we like to employ. I think it's a smart trick for all designers to use because then you're not really having to throw one out when one isn't as fashionable or as trending as the next. So how do we mix metals, Sue? What do we do?
I think we, again, with the actual faucets and things that have utility to them, I think we usually will lean more towards like a polished nickel or a chrome. And when we use gold, we usually use it in the jewelry pieces. So in your hardware, your mirrors, your lighting, just all those topical pieces, the jewelry of the space, that's when you add your gold. A couple other tricks we did in her bathroom were in her shower. A lot of times we're doing these big glass door wall showers, but we want to give them a little bit of privacy, and since we had such a really large space once we occupied the whole master suite, we were able to go back into this cavity, and then, surprise at the back of the shower, is a bench that's going to be clad in the green marble again. So you get to see Ashley's favorite color one more time.